Prices are reacted towards these levels. What's good, Team Forex Moguls? I'm back again with another banger. Now, before nje ngize ngiqale i-session yanamhlanje, I want to actually talk about i-intro with regards to the topic le ngikhuluma ngayo. So, ama-beginners amaningi acabanga ukuthi ama-prices nje amuva nje randomly, like uzothola iya le uzoyithola iya le, but akunjalo. Kunama price levels whereby i-markets, which is those candlesticks, asuke ehamba ngayo, which are binding to, yabo. And lama levels lawa abizwa ngokuthiwa i-supports mase kuba i-resistance. And ukuyi-understanda leyo nto leyo, it's very very important because iyona le ekwazi ukukulethela imali. So first thing first, ngiqale nge-support. Iyini i-support? What is a support? I-support i-price level where i-price ima khona ukuthi iqhubeke yehle. For instance, njengoba ubona la, usukela phezulu yadilikaza la, yama yancamela ukuthi ingehli ishonele ezansi but iqhubeke ithi, yaphinde yafuthi in that same almost area yaphinde yenza njani, yajika khona yanyuka. So that is what is meant makuthiwa ila khona ama-price asuke emakhona from ukuthi ehle kuyona or ayidlule i-level. And most of the time ama-buyers angena kulama levels lawo because that is where osuke uthola khona i-opportunity ukuthi ube nani, ube ne-inch, right? And usually that is where ama price or i-supports whereby isuke i-bounce akhona. That is where you actually gain enough evidence ekutheni ubone ukuthi okay la ngingase ngingene, yabo. So I hope umuntu uyayi-understanda leyo nto. Then mase kuba khona i-resistance. What is resistance? I-resistance is a price level where the price stops rising, njengoba kade ngichazile from here i-supports. Yabo la ifike yathi yanyuka yathi yamala yadilika yashona yangakwazi ukuqhubeka ode phezulu, yahamba iyehla yanyuka yaphinde yathi futhi la yabuya futhi azobamba le level le ela. So manje njengoba uyibona nje ihlulekile ukuqhubeka iye phezulu, so yancamela ukwenza njani, udilika. That is saying ukuthi it stopped rising above, right? And le kule level le ila khona ama-sellers engena khona ezwenzani, ezwenzela ukuthi asele ezansi asathele profit le, right? So kumele ukuthi u-understand leyo nto ukuthi this is where you take your entries. And most of the time ama-prices athenda ukuthi ehle from i-resistance, njengoba sengichaza ukuthi usuke udili kuye ezansi, right? So I think let's like clear leyo nto. Yingani ke bafethu ama-supports ne-resistance exist? Most of the time, number one, ama-institutes la amakhulu asuke ebeka or eplace ama-orders awo kulama levels. That is the first thing eyenza ukuthi ama-supports ama-supports nama-resistance abe khona. Second thing, ama-traders akwazi ukukhumbula ama-past prices abekade bewasebenzisile, yabo. So kuba lula ngoba phela they are traceable, yabo, from history ukuthi oh i-entry yami ngiyibeke la eqaleni, ngiyibeke la like izolo or noma kuthanga. You tend to know ukuthi okay what is actually happening, yabo, usukaphi and uyaphi, you understand. Then number 3, psychology, yabo. I-market tends to have that memory a trace ukuthi okay kahle kahle it's repetitive yabo. I-market kuyayiphinda but kuye kwenzeke-ke ishintshe kancane i-pattern but nje it's almost the same thing repeating itself. Iyi-cycle lento yabo. Now into ebalulekile njengobona ngidwebile la ukwazi ukuyi-identify yabo, ukwazi ukuthi identify kanjani i-support ne-resistant. Number 1, into yokuqala ukuthi hopefully othi ngicheck la. Into yokuqala ukuthi i-time frame yakho kumele uyishintshe ibu H1 njengoba ubona la. Sorry guys ngoba ngishawa i-network la but ke it's fine vele angiyisebenzisi lo because it's a demo ngenzela ukuthi nje nibone. Into yokuqala ukuthi ushintshe i-time frame yakho uyenze ubani u-H1. U-H1 wakho is bani 1 hour time frame, right? Njengoba ubona nje kanje yabo. Secondly, ubheka la khona ama prices akade bounce khona njengoba ubona la ifike ya bounce la kwi resistance yabo, yaphinda ya bounce la. So this is your resistance yabo. The moment ufika uqala ubona oqala, okay uyayiyeka. Mase uphinde uyacheck ukuthi ayikho yini yesibili futhi ebounce almost in the same resistance. Mayikhona then uyadweba. Uthatha uline wakho udwebe ufake la njengoba ubona ngidwebile, right? Same applies nala ngezansi. Uyathatha uline wakho, angithi uyabona ukuthi la ifika bounce okokuqala yaphinda ya bounce okwesibili, la yacisha yayeka la but kodwa ke it's almost the same. Then ya bounce okwesithathu. Then uthatha uline wakho uyawudweba nangu uline wakho. Njengoba ubona la uyaklikha la then usuka la uze la uyadweba uze uyofika khona la ekugcineni. Then after that ke i-horizontal line yakho lena le horizontal line yakho, that is how you draw yabo. That is how you draw ilona yakho ama resistance ne-support. And the next thing that you need to understand ukuthi most beginners they tend to make ama mistakes. Eyokuqala nje ukuthi badweba oline abaningi. Ungadweba oline amaningi yabo. Ungabodweba oline abaningi iyadidana leyo nto, right? Secondly, ukwenza oline abanga exist. Uma ungekho mfethu uline awukho. For instance, ngeke ngiqapha ngiphinde ngidwebe lokhu lana yabo izocomplicate yabo, ngiphinde ngithi futhi lana ngiqaye phansi ngidwebe la izoyicomplicate lo line yabo. Izoyicomplicate, ungayenzi lo nto.Thi ngiremove le objects, ungayenzi lo nto. Izocomplicate yabo. And esithathu ukutrader bonke otouch yabo, njengoba ubonile la ithantile yani yathinta la. Ungatrade yonke into, ungatrade yonke into kwana kubonisa oh ibounceile la. No, don't do that yabo. Yabo ungayenzi lo nto izokudidisa. So another thing kuye kwenzeka ukuthi i-support ibe yini, ibe ilo i-support ibe i-resistance. Kuyadependa lapho uthi ngibo angazi ukuthi lento ngizoyithola yini la. I think khona into engiyitholayo la. I-support ibe resistance. Ake sizame lo. Okay, ake sizame lo. So in which sense mawukuthi i-support, okay ake ngichaze qala. Mawukuthi for instance let's say la iya break noma ke ngenze example la. Let's say isuka la kwi resistance iza la i-support, instead of ukuthi respect la i-break ishone ezansi masiyabuya iphinde izoshala lo line lo awusayona yini i-support, usuzoba yini i-resistance. Yayizwa into engishoyo, izoba yini i-resistance. So enye into leyo kufanele uyilindele. same applies nala futhi kwi-resistance. Kuyenzeka ukuthi mhlampe instead of ukuthi la i-respect lo line uvele ibreak phezulu iphinde ishone phansi masiyanyuka, sekuzoba i-support le ngeke kusaba yini i-resistance. Yeah, ikanjani. Ukuze as a beginner ungeke udideke, kumele wenze sure ukuthi ama-trades wakho wenza close to i-support or close to i-resistance. And futhi nakhona before uthathe, please kufanele ulinde ini, kufanele ulinde i-confirmation. Linda i-confirmation. I-confirmation it's your candlestick. Confirmation ya candlestick ukuthi okay, is it rejecting, yabo, is it looking like rejecting or what, njengoba ubona la, yabo la ukuthi kube ne-reject sign nayi i-doge noma i-falling star, kodwa nje i-rejection sign le, yabo, then usele la, yabo, buzoba i-profit le. Ayibo lento eshoyo, yabo, yabo lento engishoyo, it would have been that easier to see. Ingani ke ama support and resistance esebenza kangcono kuma higher time frame? Number one, higher time frame itshengisa ama levels are strong, yabo, and number two, kuba ukuthi kuba nama fake moves amancane then uma wenze i-time frame encane like labo 15 minutes or 5 minutes, yabo, and ndapho uzoluza imali, yabo. And then number three, which is awubi overly emotional ngama trades osukwathathile because they don't move fast, yabo. You get time to see ukuthi okay, what is actually happening, yabo. Ama time frame la high iwona ama levels akhona iwona aba more respected than nalawa low, you understand, yabo. So that is actually what I want you guys to actually practice and learn about namhlanje. Ufunde nje mfethu ngokwazi ngama support and resistance. It's so simple like that and straightforward. So nje, I hope ni understand. I hope lento ibe clear. Comment down below, subscribe, comment if ever unga-understandanga lento engichaze, but it's that simple. Sorry guys about the network yami, but nje Team Forex Moguls, let's get it.